think a very simple answer to that. Is it more important to be healthy than to play games with mobiles? And especially if you ask from elderly people, and soon we are all elderly people. So this will really influence to the market. And the healthcare costs are increasing really drastically because of people like me having grey hair and getting closer to 65 years. I would say that what is very important is to develop new detection technologies, new sensoring technologies, new point-of-care technologies, and combine all the results to mobile networks or internet networks, which can be then interpreted by professional doctors. This is how it works. I'm not going to specific technologies because there are so many of those, so it's a long story.